I'm talking about print on demand overall. Now, I understand that for some people, they don't know exactly what the t-shirt, they don't know the whole scope of print on demand. It's not.
They be buying print on demand and they don't even know it. That's how good print on demand has gotten. I'm telling y'all, at least 80% of the t-shirts y'all buy is probably print on demand. But it's gotten so good where white labeling is amazing that you think it came from that person's home or their warehouse. But yeah.
Exactly. Well, so to put it in perspective, when you look at, let's go back to Merch by Amazon, and you look at some of the partners that they have, some of the partner brands they've got: Disney, Marvel, WWE, Coca-Cola. Those Roman Reigns shirts that you guys are buying on Amazon, those John Cena shirts you're buying, those Coca-Cola shirts, those Avengers shirts, those Star Wars shirts, those are all print on demand, and they're legitimately using the exact same machines, the exact same staff that prints your shirt. Mm-hmm. So when you're talking about these platforms, what they're literally telling you as the content creator is, we're going to allow you to use our website, expose yourself to the traffic that we've built.
Yeah.
We're also going to allow you to use because those DTG printers they got in those facilities, those are $500,000 machines that take 3 people to operate. So you're going to use our $500,000 machines and our employees and our postage. You're going to use all of this, and all you have to do is put your design up here. Yeah. And for all of that, we're going to pay you a royalty for each one you sell at the end of the month. I wish another motherfucker would tell me I got to get my money right. You're right. You got to get your money right. Why are you not doing this?
Free.
Free
to sign up.
Now, I know the platforms that will charge you. Don't get me wrong.